Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Mary. Today is going to be a very busy day. It calls for an Americano. We are going to feed all my pets, and if you don't know by now, I have a lot and a variety of different kinds. So I thought it'd be fun for me to show you how I feed all my pets. I do want to mention that every day is a little bit different. Not everybody gets fed the same day, not everybody gets fed every day, so it is a little different than what you see in the vlog, but I do always have to give fresh salads to my dragons, to my tortoises, feed the feeders, feed the isopods, so yeah, a lot of mouths to feed. I'm also going to show you how I feed my dogs. I'm going to do a video in a couple of weeks on the dog food, show you that recipe. But yeah, if you are new to my channel, it would mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, follow me on all socials, links are down below like always, and I hope you enjoy it. I do want to say that having this many pets is a full-time job. I am pretty much always home, and I have connections when it comes to like the feeders, so I get some type of discount, so I may make it look all glamorous and easy, but do know that it does cost me a lot of money and takes me a lot of time to have this many animals. So that is my little disclaimer. But yeah, let's go feed all these animals because we got a lot of mouths to feed. Oh, I do want to say that I am going to be showing some frozen thawed rats in pinkies, and I will do a disclaimer before those pop up. So there's going to be no gore though, no blood, just animals eating. I'm not going to show you my snake eating, but like you are going to see a dead mouse at one point. Anyways, let's get on with the video. baby. Good girl. Come on. There's Ruka. Good boy. Wait, okay? Wait. Oh, I need to put your water bowl in there. Wait. Okay. You girls ready to eat too? Okay, I'll bring your food over there. Okay, so there is Mr. Chubby Frog himself, and so I don't tongue feed him. I never have ever since I had him. I tried to in the beginning and he just like was not having it. So I figured just letting him run loose was my best bet, and obviously it works because the guy's not missing no meals. And I do from time to time dust him with calcium. He just had his crickets dusted the last feeding, and I would say I feed him like every 2 to 3 days. If I see he's looking at me like ready to eat, then I'll add some in there. But if I see some running around, I'll give it some time so there's not like a bunch of crickets just running around in here.